Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today, like the last video I said, I'ma play I'm bored. Yes, I got it. Because of Christmas, I got a Mad Quest card today from my granny. So I'm playing I'm bored. What am I touching? I need to go back up. Climb. Woohoo! Yeah, I'm playing it. You wanna watch my mom record? I fell asleep. Me. Me. I broke. Where's the president? I want to find the medal. It's over there!
Compliance requested. 30 seconds remain. Relocate to the main square immediately. Dramatic size allowed. Ongoing. Address in progress. Report to the main square and look purposeful.
I died! I've got electric skill from Christmas Marvel's phone. Babuka! Babuka! It's a babuka! Guys! We got babuka! We got babuka!
Countdown. 30 seconds. Report to the main square and silence your rebellious snacks.
Pace on! Afternoon light district. Corners feel
Aye.
Immediate directive. The speech has begun. Assemble at the central square without delay. Yes, you too.
Woohoo. What? What? Okay. Whee! Whee! Thank you. See you on Thursday. Yes, I'm like. Roll.
Stronger fines, smarter streets, and quick response teams that actually show up on time. Finally, a candidate who can say perch mitigation with a straight face. We'll end the flyby freeloading and make accountability standard, not optional. Noise down, mess out, neighborhoods up with humane relocation and targeted maintenance schedules. Enough chaos? Order starts today, and with your support, we'll keep it that way tomorrow and beyond. Stronger fines, smarter streets, and quick response teams that actually show up on time. It's time for bold, persistent experimentation. Humane.
Bird strike back. No, movie.
City pride should mean
Back.
citywide
Sick. I
safety.
love that movie.
Downtown to doorsteps.
I love this.
Every block.
First movie.
We are not red districts or blue districts. We are tired districts seeking quiet. Our city needs fewer feathers and more calm feathers.
Ow! I only did a poopy on your head. Don't do it. Don't do it. You know what? I will get my revenge. Ah!
block by block easy.
Ah!
He's gone. Break contact.
Got it. Unsent. Thanks. Bye.
All attention, everybody! Obey seagulls! Obey the seagulls! They are your master! Obey the seagulls! Obey the seagulls! Attention, everybody! Obey the seagulls!
If I
Obey the
said
seagulls!
I said something wise.
Seagulls are on our side! trying to take us down. What's wrong? Take us down. We're helping you. With that environment. Yeah.
Directive. Report to the main square for the mayor's address. Bring your best listening face.
This block smells like bakeries. This block smells like bakeries. Look at the signs inside. Alright, I'm hanging up before the tunnel.
Final call. 30 seconds to the mayor's address. Move to the square now. Power walks count. Ongoing. Address in progress. Report to the main square and look purposeful.
Well, guys, report to the main square. I want to put up. Hurry up.
Right on target.
I died. Try it. Yeah, I already got that game. You got games on your phone, man. You got games on your phone. You got games on your phone. You got games on your phone. Tourist.
Final call. 30 seconds to the mayor's address. Move to the square now. Power walks count.
This way! This street
Guys, I died. Bleh. Bye guys, I'm cool.